How to use Clickup as CRM. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. For today's video, we'll be exploring how to use Clickup as a powerful CRM or customer relationship management tool. Clickup is a versatile project management and collaboration platform that can be customized to suit various business needs, including CRM functionalities. If you're looking for a comprehensive CRM solution to manage your customer interactions, sales pipeline, and business relationships, Clickup can be an excellent choice. It offers a range of features and tools to help you streamline your sales processes, track leads and deals, and nurture customer relationships. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting up Clickup as your CRM tool. We'll show you how to create customized workflows and boards to manage your sales pipeline, track and categorize leads, assign tasks to team members, and collaborate effectively throughout the sales processes. So, let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, go to clickup.com where we are right now. This is their homepage. If you would like to know more information about Clickup, you can simply go here and scroll through their homepage and look through the different information posted over here. They have different products and solutions, as you can see here on the top. For the different products, you can do task, docs, goals, whiteboard, dashboard, chat, which we are going to check out later. You could connect to different platforms over here like templates, ClickUp apps, integrations, view, hierarchy, and automations. There's also different solutions here, as you can see here in this section. You can also learn different things in ClickUp, and you can also check out their pricing by clicking this button over here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to sign up. If you already have an account, you can simply click on login and log into your account. Now, in this section, you're going to have to first enter your work email. Now, after signing up, it will be very easy to log in, and this is what you would see. This is the homepage of our clickup.com. This is now what you will see after logging in. Now, we're going to give you a quick tour on how to use ClickUp before we start with our CRM tutorial. Now, right now, I'm currently on the home page. You can see that I have my lineup, trending, my work calendar over here on our screen. You will be able to see the different things you need to do, the different information added to your section. Over here on the bottom right, if you can see, we have this track time. If you would like to track the things that you're doing, for example, you're going to do one task, you could track how long it would take you to do that one task. You could also add task over here by clicking this. You will be able to type in the name of the task, select where you will add this task, and like information about the task, add some attachment, set the priority, set dates, set tags, templates, and dependencies over here, and then simply click on create task, and you will be able to easily create task for your ClickUp. You can also click this and you will be able to see all of these different sections like record, click, track time, reminder, notepad, new doc, new whiteboard, calendar, and task tray. Over here on the left side, you can check out the different tasks that you have, all tasks available on your ClickUp. You have different spaces over here, which is basically like a folder. And you can also see your notifications and dashboards in this section over here. Right now, you can't use dashboard because you would need to upgrade it because I have exceeded my free usage of dashboard. So we're going to go to our task over here. Now, how do you use ClickUp for CRM? Now, there is no direct way of initializing or using ClickUp to integrate with a CRM, but we could use templates to use so that we could simulate or actually use ClickUp for our CRM. So how do you use a template? So the first thing we're going to do is, of course, we're going to create a new space. So we're going to click on new space over here, and you're going to enter a space name. We're going to add CRM over here, click on the templates over here, and now what you're going to do, in this templates, you will be able to choose any type of templates depending on what type of category you would like. There are different things that you can search here. As you can see here, there are different types. And what you're going to search is for CRM. We're going to type in CRM over here. Click on enter, and you will be able to see all the templates created by the community, created by ClickUp to accommodate the needs for our CRM. We have sales pipeline over here, sales CRM, sales and CRM team, and there's also this 3 other templates that we have over here. Over here on the left side, you could choose from beginner, intermediate, and advanced over here. You could filter out the different results that you have and you could choose them from there. You can also see that this is the results from the community over here. So we're simply going to select one. We're going to go with sales and CRM team over here. You could use any of this depending on what you would like, but we're going to use this. You will be able to see also what the templates has, like the different status group, apps, view types, automations over here. So we're going to use this template. You could import everything over here, or you could customize import items over here. You could also import dates over here. For our space name, we're going to name it CRM once again, and we're going to click on use template. And now it's going to create that space that we have just used. And as you can see here now on our spaces, we have CRM on our list. So we're going to click this. We could create a folder in our CRM. We're going to open this. And as you can see here, this is our template. You can also see a template guide over here. We have all of these extra things that we are seeing right now. We're going to check them out one by one. The first section that we are seeing are the different leads. You could add task, hide description, or add comments to this section. You will be able to see guides also on how you will be able to use this template, as you can see here. You could have your unqualified section over here, or follow-up questions or follow-up things. Like as you can see here, you can simply customize the different information over here by clicking this. You will be able to change the title, add like CRM type, contact name, type of campaign, email, industry, all of this information. You could also see over here on the right side like the different things happening on the specific task. For example, you have a team member opening this task. You will be able to see here, this is like a history. If they make changes, if they make updates, you will be able to see here in this section. You could also add checklists or add subtasks to the specific task. You could also see here, engage section over here. You have engage over here. You could assign your members by clicking this button over here or this tag. You could assign them just like this. You could see your due date and priority section over here. You could change the priority by clicking this, change it to low, high, or urgent over here. You could also add a column if you would like a drop down, text area, date, progress, number, checked box, email, files, and all of this option over here. You could customize this however you want, but this is like the basic template of how you could use ClickUp for your CRM. As you can see, there are attempt to engage, new leads, and deals over here in this section, like on hold deals, on track deals, at risk deals, and block deals over here. You could also see new approvals, opens, and you could also have accounts for this section, like active account, prospect accounts. You could also have contacts and that are open over here. As you can see, you could add more if you would like. If you think this is not big enough, or like if you think you could have more, you can simply click on add task over here and you could create more tasks to your section over here. You can also see here on the left side that this is a CRM. This is like what we are seeing earlier, our CRM leads. You can have the leads here in this section. As you can see here, you can add more to this section like by clicking this and click another leads and another list, and you could add whatever you would like and like type on whatever. Just a random title, click on that. And as you can see, we have our section over here. So when you check out your CRM in this section, you can see that you have your whatever new task list that you have over here. So you can simply add more tasks depending on what you have, what you need, or what you would like to track as a CRM. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use ClickUp for CRM. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.